20 Kilo Hotel, your radar contact 35 miles southwest of 2739, right heading 070, maintain 1,500 till established localized clear.
Thank you for your attention. It's time to get you ready for takeoff. We know you have lots of choices, so thanks for choosing American. We're happy to be your airline. Now if you'll just follow along with me, we'll be on our way.
Short runway 8 right, taxiway November 13, November Papa Mike 1, American 19.
Welcome aboard. Before we depart, here are some important safety instructions.
Miami ground, American 56 with information, Victor, request taxi IFR. American
First things first, let's buckle those belts. Insert the metal end into the buckle and pull the strap to tighten. To open, simply lift on the top of the buckle. And remember, seatbelt should be fastened.
American 158, towers 23.9, good night.
Right, using taxiway 5 November 8 November Papa Mike 1,
American 2482, Miami.
With you, 8,000. Have a good night.
Good night.
Thank you.
Southwest 2490, reduce you to 210.
Well, if you want 0, then down to 50, but you want.
Jingle heading 120, join 10 right, localize.
Alright, 10 right, Delta Jingle 120 heading, join 10 right, localize with Delta 182.
South Iconic approach 133.72.
Get yourself a South on it.
Now what's your speed?
220, jump at 1969.
1969, maintain speed 220.
Maintain 220, jump at 1969.
Southwest 2853, reduce speed of 220.
Go to 220, Southwest 2853.
Southwest 2490, Iconic approach 133.72. Southwest 2490, approach 133.72. Southwest 2490. To 1969, descend and maintain 4,000.
Down to 4,000, jump at 1969.
Southwest Redlake 380, descend and maintain 4,000.
4,000.
01 Miami approach, back southwest runway 1011, altimeter 3004.
Roger.
Air Force 745, minor approach, select the ILS runway 9, system maintaining. That ain't does.
This is 413 approach, Roger.
We got active 4.
Negative. Disregard. Giant 55, how do you read me? Giant 55, how do you read me? Correção, respeito nível 340. O azul 436, afirmo 436. Gente, no nível, tudo mantém nível 340, está autorizado para de voo MIC, ok?
Encontrei, autorizada por São Luís.
Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt signs turned off. Keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items like tablets, cell phones, passports, and personal documents. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful as items may have moved in flight. You may now use your cell phone. However, once you deplane, cell phone use is not permitted in the customs and immigration area. American Airlines and our One World partners, thank you for flying with us today. We hope to see you again soon.
Clear level 320 and heading S probably position. Azul 4356, autorizada por Golf Oscar 003. Afirmo e 4356 confirme o número máximo, gente. O senhor tem condições de comentar 78 de sequenciamento? Grato. Voo no 646, chame centro Brasília, frequência 123, decimal 95. Voo no 646, chame centro Brasília, frequência 123, decimal 95.